Uploading 4K videos to YouTube is quick and simple. Let me guide you through the steps. First, tap the subscribe button below. It really helps. Now open the YouTube app, tap U at the bottom right, then the gear icon at the top right. Scroll down to Uploads and select Upload Quality. By default, it may be set to 1080p, so change it to full quality to ensure your videos upload in 4K. You can also choose whether to upload over Wi-Fi only or not. Once this is set, any 4K video on your iPhone or Android or computer will upload in full quality to YouTube. And that's it. You're all set.